In this video, I'm going to show you how to inscribe a square in a circle. Inscribe means we want to put the square inside the circle, not outside the circle. So you're going to start by creating a circle and try to make it in the middle of the page. It'll make this a little easier. Size doesn't really matter here. Then I need to label some points. So I'm going to label this point as A. I'm going to call the center of the circle B. Now I need to create a diameter with A and B. Remember, a diameter goes right through the center of the circle, so I'm going to choose segment. I'm going to start on A, drag it through B to the other side. And to make things easier, I'm going to go ahead and label that point as C. Now we need to put in another diameter, but it needs to be perpendicular to the one we already have, so it needs to make a right angle with it. Over here, we've got the idea, remember, of more tools. So I'm going to come under more tools, and notice one of my choices is a perpendicular line. So I'm going to choose that. Notice here we get some direction. It says choose a line to set the slope. Well, I need it perpendicular to this line. Notice now I have a fine line running there. My next direction says choose a point to set location. I need it to go through point B. So now we have two diameters. I am going to label those to make the square easier to do. A point there and here. And I will give them labels of D and E. Now I need to connect those 4 points to create the square. So I'm going to go back to my segment tool. I'm going to connect from C to D, from D to A, from A to E, and from E to C. Now I'm going to hide some things so we can see the square a little better. Using my select key, I'm going to click on that. I don't want to delete it, I just want to hide it. I'm going to click on that one and hide that as well. Now we have square ADCE inscribed in circle B. It's inscribed because each of its vertices or corners touches the circle.